Uh-huh. 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 Let's go. Yeah. Listen. Okay, I think it's time to do the second set here. Have no idea. I'm new at this. Been checking out different methods of painting helmets, and I just don't know what design or how I want to do this. I was given free for all, do what I want to do. So her bike is burgundy, and I painted this black just to cover up everything, all the flaws that were on here after I sanded it, so that I would have an even coverage. So I have some burgundy paint, and I think I'm going to do that next. I'm just making sure this kind of lifted up. Hopefully I won't get paint underneath this. So I'm going to try burgundy and see what this looks like on this black. Oh, is that burgundy? Good Lord. It says cranberry. Okay. Wow, that's not burgundy. Gee whiz. Okay, let me see what this one does. This one, cherry red. Not the burgundy I'm looking for. Look at that cap. Does that look more like a burgundy? Well, it looks red in this camera. And this is the cherry red. That's not gonna... Alright, y'all. I don't know. I might have to start again. Let me see what this does. This might be more burgundy than that. I don't know. No, that's red. We can't use that. Gee whiz. I don't know. Let me just keep going. How about that? With this, what did I say it is? Cranberry. I'm going to cover it with the cranberry. Maybe a couple coats it'll look like burgundy. I'm going to go with it because that's all I have other than red. And I really truly thought by the cap that this was a burgundy, or the cap looks burgundy. Maybe it's because it's on black, maybe. Y'all, don't ask me. I don't know, but I'm going to just keep it moving. And if this doesn't look right when I get through and it's dry, then maybe we're going to go with a black. I'm just going to try and find some burgundy. Or a different method. Maybe not spray paint. Or maybe a couple coats. We'll see. I'm going to let this one, we'll complete this one, let it dry completely, and then come back with another coat and see if it's where I want it to be. It might just be the lighting down here because it's looking better than when I first started spraying. Making sure to get underneath the hardware, the bolts here, or whatever they're called. Okay. All right, let me let this dry. Come back with another coat. And we'll go from there. That's actually pretty. It's very pretty, but it doesn't look burgundy to me. I guess because it says cranberry, huh? But I couldn't find an actual paint that said burgundy. Let me stop. Let that dry. I'll be back. Ooh, it really, I'm looking at the camera now. It does not look burgundy. Oh boy. Good morning, beautiful people. It's another day, another beautiful day. I went out to find some more paint, spray paint, trying to find burgundy, cannot find it. I looked online and supposedly they had it at Lowe's, went there, and they were sold out. And they were sold out. They had put it on clearance for $2.17. I missed that. Whoa. So the closest that I could come to, because this hat, this helmet, does that look like burgundy to you? It might now that it's dried. Seriously, I'm in the light. I might not need to do it again now that I'm really looking at it. But I did go, I can take this back because it cost me $7. And it's called Claret Wine. So that's the closest I could come to burgundy. But I don't know. What y'all think? Does that look like burgundy? Burgundy enough? It's rather bright. I think I'm going to go ahead and put a coat on. That's pretty close. Oh, I don't know what to do. But first things first. I'm going to start out and take this off because I feel that paint is getting underneath it. It's lifting. I'm going to put a new piece of tape on here, I believe. But then I'd have to cut it and trim it, and I don't... Yeah. Let me do that. Oh, one more thing. Also, while I was at... I got this... No, Lowe's didn't have any. I got this at Home Depot. I had to go to Home Depot. But Home Depot, from time to time, they have these little sample containers, or I don't know if it's leftover paint or what, at a reduced price. And, you know, the colors may not be the greatest, but I don't care. I can use it for paint pours or to cover my canvases. 50 cents. I got this one, 50 cents. That color, all 50 cents, man. This deep forest green. And that was what, a cerulean, how do you say that, blue? And it actually, they don't say the colors on here. Do they? No, they don't. I don't see it. And I got this like moss green. All of these are 50 cents. And this beautiful purple lilac. Oh, it don't look too good on the camera. But it's a lilac, lavender. All right. Back to the regularly scheduled program. Oh boy. Oh, it looks pretty good. I think I'm going to leave it. I'm not going through all that again. I'm going to leave this on here. Let me burnish it down with my fingernails. I'm leaving that. I'm not about to redo that. I thought it was lifting. And if I get a little paint on that vent, then I'm going to use some alcohol or something, some acetone, and get it off, because it can't be that much. Okay. Now, I think I'm going to go ahead and put a coat of this on here and see if it, because this looks like a, I don't know, really, it's a burgundy, but it looks like a, maybe a mulberry or a boysenberry. See if I can get a little darker. So let's get ready to go down in the basement to the paint station, makeshift paint station. Alrighty, let's give it a go. See what we get here. With this claret wine. Let me just, here we go. Man, okay, I don't know. Basically, almost looks the same. Jeez, I just can't get this color right. But we're gonna go with whatever happens here is what we're gonna do. It's gonna be close. Close enough. That is a deeper red. It takes out that boysenberry looking color. This might work. This don't have to work, because this thing's gonna have so many coats of paint on it. It's gonna be unreal. How many I got so far? 2 black. That other color, and this one. No, 2 coats of that other burgundy or whatever it was. What was it? Cherry red? What did I use? Nope, I used cranberry. Okay. I'm gonna let that dry. And I got something else to do with this. It's not just gonna be burgundy, but I needed this to be the base color after I evened it out with the black. Let this dry, good people, and be ready. I'll be ready for the next. It's hard to tell if I covered it all with that one. I think I did. I'll be ready for the next stage. Okay. Stick with me here, okay? Please stick with me. It's a process. It's a learning curve. It's all that. It looks red to me. We're going to see what it looks like when it dries. Hopefully, it'll be okay.